Hi and welcome to Automation Studio How To. My name is Tobias and I will be your software geek for today. In this video I'll be showcasing how to convert a project from Automation Studio 4.12 to Automation Studio 6.0. So, let's get started. To show you how to convert your project to Automation Studio 6, I've opened the help for Automation Studio 6. Here on the main page, Automation Software, we can go to version information, and in version information, we can find the folder for upgrading a project from Automation Studio 4. It's necessary to have your project upgraded to Automation Studio 4.12 before converting it to Automation Studio 6 to ensure all the previous conversions are correct. There will be some necessary adjustments in your Automation Studio 4 project before you can convert it. There are some permissible characters in your project name, so it's important to not have project names that includes these things. We have some hardware modules that are no longer supported, so I recommend going through your project and making sure that none of your hardware has been discontinued. If it has, I would recommend either switching it out or staying in Automation Studio 4. There have been some changes to the OpenCUA, so I recommend following all these steps to make sure that everything is good. And then we have some other small things. Again, I recommend going through this list step by step and making sure that everything is good. Then we have some necessary adjustments after you have converted. First of all, you need to perform a rebuild to ensure that everything is built for the correct version. You need to set your runtime versions to make sure that they're good. There are some libraries that have been discontinued, so I would go through your libraries and ensure that they all work. All of this can be found in the help that will be automatically installed with Automation Studio 6. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and have a good day.